Hi, I'm going to take a minute and show the proper threading of a Wheeler & Wilson early curved needle sewing machine. This machine uses curved needles. This particular machine dates from 1872. And we're going to start with the thread. It goes on the spool pin, which is actually located on a horizontal arm on the back of the machine. And the first thread guide is going to come up from underneath in the back. If you can see this thread guide here, and it's going to come up from underneath, and it wraps around the tension discs. This is a rotating tension, so it goes wrapped all the way around, and the tension discs will actually roll with the thread, and that's what provides the tension. There's a thread guide along the arm here. We're going to pass it through that thread guide and down through the thread guide on the needle clamp. And bring it down through there. And then we're going to thread that curved needle from left to right. There you go. This machine takes little teeny, very skinny bobbins. And this bobbin is mounted in the bobbin holder arm down below. When you clamp this bobbin arm in here, the bobbin actually has some play to it. You can see it's got a little bit of wiggle. The tension on this is created by the little brush that you see underneath here. And when the loop is created on the hook, that brush will sustain the loop a little bit to provide the necessary tension to create a stitch. Underneath the cloth plate is a little finger that's been soldered on here that is used for holding that lower thread. When you're ready to sew, what you're going to do is drop the needle, and on this machine the wheel actually turns over away from you underneath. So I'm going to drop the needle 2 times, and that allows it to create the loop and have it underneath, and I'll take my scissors and pull out that extra thread, and now it's ready to sew. I'm going to put my fabric in and lower the presser foot here. And we'll go ahead and get started. And what I find is that once it gets started, I like to pull out the bobbin thread once it gets moving, because it has a tendency to snag the fabric a little bit and want to pull underneath. That makes a lovely little stitch. There we go.